Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the gold chart on 18th of March 2023. Then I'm going to show you some positions that you can make in the future and see what's going to happen next on it. Then I'm going to show you my positions in another part and see what happened there. So before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start now. As you can see, the price is going up right now, and the major resistance we have in front of us is this level. The price here is 2070 to 2075. This area can be a really nice resistance for the gold price in the future, and see what's gonna happen in the future. If we switch to daily time frame, we can see a nice upward move started from here. We had a trend line here broken. As I told you, we can enter a buy position here, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gave us something more than a reward too here. If we switch to 4-hour time frame, we don't have anything special on 1-hour time frame. I told you that in my previous analysis, which you can see up there, I told you that we have this resistance area in front of us, okay, and we can go for sell position here if we see a nice candle. What I mean by a nice candle is a nice candle, okay. You can see we have this support here, and the price touches this and make a nice green candle like this one, okay, and we can risk on that. This is not a nice candle, okay. It is a small candle compared to the previous candle like this one, and it doesn't worth it to enter a sell position. But in lower time frames, like 15 minutes, we had a nice candle like this one, which we could risk on that. But something that you should know is, if we have enter sell position here, put our stop loss above the candle, and our stop loss was activated, okay, it is a part of our job, don't worry about that. We will have winning trades and losing trades, okay. The thing is important, the total result is important. At the end of the week or month, it depends on your plan, okay, and management. And as you can see on the 15-minute time frame, we can see the trend line, but in 5-minute time frame it is more clear. We had a nice trend line here, a compression here. You can see the price was going up and started falling from here a bit and touched this level and started going up and again down and a bit up and again down. We have a actually support here like this one, and a trend line from upside, which is making the price in a, the price is in a compression, okay. And when the price is breaking this compression here, this trend line here, let me zoom in that we can see better. When it breaks it here, we can risk on that and go for a buy position, okay. We don't care, it is a resistance area and we cannot go for buy positions, okay. We just trade based on our, the patterns we see, okay. And yeah, we could risk here and enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, or somewhere safer here, or even here, or very safer here, okay. And it is actually, if you can see it there, it is our risk is something about 20 pips, okay. It is 19.5, which we say 20, okay. We risk 20 pips to earn something like 40 pips risk reward too, but it gives us something around, actually, if we can see it up there, 252 pips, actually 250 pips, which is a fantastic reward, something around 13. It means you can lose 13 positions in a row, okay, and it is very nice. And right now the market is closed, and we did have this pattern broken with this candle too. We had the potential to enter buy position there, put our stop loss below the candle, and it is in the way to give us our reward too here, somewhere here. Yeah, okay, it was all about today's analysis. Let's switch to the part which I have which I'm gonna show you the positions I made yesterday and see what is going on there. Before we start this part, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see, on the first position we did have this trend line with 3 touches, and the first time it was broken here, and we could risk here and put our enter a sell position first, put our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer here, and it gave us a reward of 2.5 here. And as you can see, we have a support area here where the price was falling and touched a level and it started going up. Okay, this is a support level. We draw a support line like this, and in the future the price reacts to that level. This level can be our target of this sell position. And also, if we see a nice candle, let me clean it. If we see a nice candle like this one, long shadow with a small body compared to the to this shadow. Okay, this body is smaller compared to this shadow, and this is a pin bar. We can risk on it and enter a buy position. Actually, first, if you have a sell position here, close it, then you can risk on it and go for a buy position. Enter the position here, put your stop loss below the candle, and it gave us a reward of 2.7 somewhere here. On the third position and our last position, we did have this trend line with several touches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 touches, and the 7th time it was broken here. We could risk on it and enter a buy position, put our stop loss below the candle here or somewhere safer here, and it gave us a reward of 5.5 here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this part and this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me and gives me the energy to make better videos for you. Thank you guys, bye bye.